Just be fucking patient. Fuck your door. No, fuck your door. Fuck your door. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? Fuck your door. Man, I tell you, every day is something different with this damn truck, man. You know what I mean? Like, literally, today, y'all wanna see some funny shit? All right, y'all wanna see some funny shit? Come on, come with me. Come with me. I'm gonna show y'all some funny shit. Hold on, this the funny shit right here. Right here. This is funny. This is one funny thing. I gotta get some sort of glue or adhesive somewhere on that. Like, I gotta get some glue, some adhesive, something on that. That's the first funny thing, because the wind is blowing like a motherfucker today. But look, this is the second funny thing. See that? See that? And y'all know, if y'all been following me, follow my videos, like literally last week, it was a different trailer, but it was this one that went out. Literally last week. So let's go back in time. Let's do a rewind and go back a week ago and see what I was dealing with then. Check it out. I'm doing my pre-trip in the morning. Look at this. Flat. That's why it's important that you do your pre-trip in the morning, man. All right, so now that y'all seen that, now you see what trucking really is. It's like, it's not all about, damn, this wind is crazy. Just so y'all know, you know, trucking ain't all fun and fucking glamorous, man. It's not. Shit is not all fun and glamorous. This shit is not no fucking, you know, open road, you know, lovely fucking deal where, you know, everything is right, no traffic, no DOT inspections, no tires blowing, and it's just straight up just textbook truck driving. No, that shit is over. That shit doesn't happen. And maybe it just hasn't happened for me, and I'm pretty sure other people out there, you know, goes through what I go through too as well. But since I've been here, I have had no like smooth weeks where, you know, things just went easy for the week, and then I just crept into, you know, the end of the week, you know, and I didn't have anything that was holding me back through the week. You know, everything like literally since I've been out here on the road, it hasn't been traffic, it hasn't been accidents, it hasn't been road closures, it hasn't even been weather. You know, everything that has been preventing me from having a smooth week has been something that has been happening with the truck or something that has happened with the trailers. Literally. Whether no trailer breaks, blown like tire blowouts, you know, that, you know what I'm saying? That over there. Now I gotta figure out, they telling me, well, just go to a TA. Even if I go to a TA, it's windy as fuck outside today. It's like 60-mile winds today. And even if they put adhesive on it, it's not going to hold up to this wind. Cause somehow the wind was so much wind coming that it blew it off. Like, golly, man. I tell you. Well, they're here. What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
What's happening?
We're gonna check it out for you.
Yeah, all right, cool, thanks.
You know you got a drive tire on your trailer?
I do? Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Okay.
Look at that shit. Well, it's gonna be easy to take off.
Are we swapping out? Do you want to swap out that drive? You got a drive tire on the trailer. That fucking low.
Okay, yeah. If they approved it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So I just want to let them. They approved it to replace 2 tires.
Okay.
Oh shit.
I don't give a shit. I mean, you know what I mean? Cause I don't even. Cause you know how they got some drop tires that you can put on the trailer, but
Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah,
It's
but that's not
squared
it.
and not ribbed. That's a straight drive. And they.
when I backed in, I saw it. I was like, damn, I ain't feel nothing. You know what I mean?
Let me call them, see if they want to, and then, well, this one be easy. We'll get you on the road in like a few minutes.
Okay. This one right here, I knew they did. Of course. Yeah. Of course, they give him that fucking door. They can't give him another door? Hold on. You good? You had to get in here? They will give you that fucking thing. Huh? Yeah, they changed a fucking tire. How the fuck would they do that? So they're here fixing the tire right now. They're fixing the tire right in dock number 336. And this tractor right here, he has to get in 336. But nobody in there this whole time. Look at all these trailers. Look at all of these docks that's open. They give him the one that they see us working in. Of course they would. Fucking dumb. Because they didn't walk past here a couple of times to ask me, you know, was I good? I'm like, yeah, I'm waiting on the guys to come and fix the tire. You know what I mean? So they were like, okay, a guy comes in, they give him the door right where the damn guys is working on the damn tire. With all of these open bays right here. Never saw that. Oh, shit. I hope everybody out there learns something from the videos that I post. So that you can see not just driving over the road and having a great time and, you know, just a wonderful life trucking. My videos are going to show you the real deal about trucking, like what's really real with it and the things that you're going to run through while you're running up and down these damn roads. And that's just what it is. And on top of that, you know, the weather elements that you're going to have to deal with as well. You know, if y'all can look out, like right, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the trees is swaying because it's windy as hell outside. And just that added on. So the tire just got fixed, but I still got that windshield, that side windshield thing. So look, I'm waiting. Y'all can see in the mirror, they're trying to fix the tire. He's waiting because they gave him a door that's right there. When look how many doors they got open. And they got him waiting right there. Oh boy, I tell you. Like I said, I hope that y'all learn from these videos and just learn that it's a lot that go into trucking, and don't believe the hype of these people that be on YouTube, you know, putting out all this content and the shit ain't real. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna let you know what you're gonna be getting yourself into when you get on this road, man, because it's not all smiles and Hallmark cards. You know what I'm saying? This shit is pop tires, backing in the docks, scanning paperwork. It's a lot. It's a lot to go into it, man. And I don't know. OTR, I mean, you got to go through it, of course, to get to the local part, because you got to get the experience. But I tell you, this time that I've been on the road, which is about like 4 months now, it's just been a fucking uphill battle every step of the way. But, you know, hopefully y'all can learn something from these videos, and, you know, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want more content. But I think I could leave it right there because, shit, we already been through this before. And, yeah, just going through it again. Just another week and business as usual.
I can't. He's gonna move now, bro.
Just be fucking patient.
My door is here. He's gonna move.
Fuck your door. No, fuck your door. Fuck your door. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? Fuck your door. What you gonna do about it?
I've asked him 3 times. I asked him.
They moving out right now.
Lightly.
Fuck you gonna do about
He
it?
can move forward.
Fuck you gonna do about it? Thanks, man. Hey, thanks, man. Fuck that motherfucker. Fuck your door. That dude over there, you mad as shit. I tell you, man, trucking, it don't gotta be like this, man. It don't gotta be like where motherfuckers be talking shit or anything. Just that dude right there. You know, he mad at the dude who was just, you know, who's pulling in right next to me. He's mad at that dude, and that dude actually was doing me, you know, he was being nice to me, you know, because he was like, yo, I gotta pull in this door that y'all are in front of, but don't worry about it. Just do what you gotta do, and then I'll be, and then, you know, I'll get into the door. Now, while he's waiting there, that dude over there, he comes over tripping like, why the fuck you holding up the line or whatever, and dude like, yo, I'm just waiting to get into my door, and he talking shit. That's why I said, you know, fuck your door. Like, what you gonna do about it? Like, and I took my camera over there like to see what he's gonna do, but like, fuck that, man. What the fuck you gonna do about it? Like, you fucking punk. Like, these motherfucking truckers be getting shit fucked up. Like, nigga, you get fucked up out here. Like, I don't give a fuck about this goddamn truck like that. I beat your motherfucking ass out here on this fucking Walmart shit and go the fuck home. I don't give a damn about this shit. But yeah, that's fucking trucking 101 for y'all, man. That's trucking for y'all, man. Fucking stupid idiots like that. All he give a fuck about is getting in the fucking door to get his fucking stupid ass load. Fucking dummy. It's fucking trucking for you, man, I tell you.